In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build your first HubSpot workflow in under 10 minutes, even if you've never touched the HubSpot workflow tools before. So let's jump right into my screen. In your HubSpot account, go to automation and click workflow. Creating a workflow requires a HubSpot professional or enterprise subscription. So if you're using the free version or a starter plan, you might not be able to create a workflow. Also, if you haven't set up your HubSpot account properly yet, click the link in the description for a free HubSpot consultation. On the top right corner, click Create Workflow. You can either start from scratch, choose a template, or even use AI. For this tutorial, we're going to start from scratch because I want you to understand exactly how workflow works behind the scene. Now, on the workflow page, the first thing you're going to do is rename your workflow. So type in a name that clearly states what the workflow is all about. This makes it so much easier to find or manage your workflow later, especially as you create more workflow. The next thing we're going to do is set the enrollment trigger. If you don't understand what enrollment trigger is, you should think of it as the starting signal for your automation. So this is what tells HubSpot, hey, it's time to run this workflow. Okay. And also your enrollment trigger should match what you want your workflow to do. For this workflow, we want HubSpot to automatically update delete status, notify the sales rep whenever a contact click a link in like a particular marketing email. That means our enrollment trigger is going to be click a link in a marketing email. So now let's set our enrollment trigger. On the left, choose your trigger. Since our trigger is based on someone interacting with an email, we're going to go with our communication and then email events. From the list of email events here, we're going to select click on the link in a marketing email. And next, we're going to tell HubSpot exactly which email we are talking about. So click add criteria. For the property, choose email name, then leave the operator as is any of, and then use the search bar to find and select the marketing email you want to track. Once you've selected that email, click done, then click next and then click save. And just like that, your enrollment trigger is completed. Now it's time to add an action. So click the plus icon to add an action. From the list of actions here, okay, go to the CRM and then select edit record because we want to change the late status of that contact. So we're editing the record. For the record type, leave it as contact and then under property to edit, choose late status. Then leave the change type set to replace. And for the new value, select open. For this tutorial, I want to change the list status to open, and then we just did that. Then finally, click save. So whenever somebody clicks the link in this marketing email, HubSpot will automatically update their lead status to open. Now let's add our second action. So click the plus icon again, and this time around, we're going to go to communications. Since we want to notify someone on our team, we will choose send internal email notification. Next, choose the user who you want to send the notification to. And then if you have a team set up in HubSpot, you can also send it to that team. Then enter the subject line for the email notification and then also write the email you would like your sales rep to receive. For this example, you can say a lead has clicked a link in the marketing email. This is a great time to follow up. Once you're done, click save, and that is it. But before you activate any workflow, always review it first. So click review and turn on. Then check that your enrollment trigger and your actions are correct, and then turn on the workflow. And that is simply how to create a simple workflow in HubSpot. If you found this video helpful and easy to follow, don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more HubSpot tutorial, okay? And also let me know in the comment section if you were able to successfully build this workflow. If you don't mind, you could make a post about it on LinkedIn and then tag me. I'll be grateful. And also, if you would like to know how to use a workflow in HubSpot for onboarding, let me know as well in the comment section, and I would see you in the next video.